God loves me and has His purpose. Don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around because for He wants the best for me. No, I won't give up, for God loves me and has His purpose.
Lord, I trust you because you love me. You're not against me. You are for.
Yan guys, ang ating papawis kaninang umaga pagkagaling sa simbahan. Yan lang guys, thank you for watching. Bye! Happy Sunday everyone!